How to turn off location on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji from the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option from the top right of your screen. Now scroll down and under the privacy controls tab, you will see the See My Location option. Tap on that and further go ahead and enable the ghost mode toggle button, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Until Turned Off option, and with this, the location services on Snapchat will be disabled and your friends will no longer be able to view your location. So, this is how you can turn off location on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.